If you're looking for a soup that packs a protein punch, this slow cooker spiced lentil soup has 13 grams of protein and less than 300 calories per serving. Sounds good? This is how you make it. So for this, we're using the standard veggie sauce soup base of carrot, onion and celery. You're going to chop these fairly small. If you're going to blend the soup at the end, then they don't have to be that small, but I'm not going to blend it, so I'm going to get these all reasonably small and nicely chopped up. And again, at this point, you could use extra veg if you wanted, if you had a few bits and pieces in the fridge that you wanted to throw in the soup. That is absolutely fine. We don't need to be too specific. Then heat a large frying pan with some oil in it on a medium heat and just cook those veggies for a few minutes until they soften and the onion starts to turn golden brown. To that, you're then going to add in your garlic and fry that for a further 30 seconds or so. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. And then once all those veggies are ready, you're going to tip them into the slow cooker along with your washed lentils. That's 200 grams uncooked wheat, along with 1 teaspoon of paprika, not smoked, just normal, half a teaspoon of turmeric, some curry powder. You can use hot, medium or mild, it's up to you, a bay leaf, plenty of grinds of black pepper and 1 litre of vegetable stock. Mix all of that through so it's nicely combined, and then we're going to cook this on high for about 3 hours. If you're going out for the day and then you want to cook it on for longer on low, that is absolutely fine. I do this for about 3 hours, and then to that we're going to add in the juice of 1 orange. This just gives it a little sweet sort of citrusy undertone. It's really nice. Check your seasoning, add more salt if needed, and then all you need to do from then is just plate it up. For garnish, I think this works really well with some seeds along with a little bit of chili oil just to give it a bit of heat, and it always looks pretty, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for even more high protein recipes.